Meaning of huffy.
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 Huffy. The word huffy is an adjective that describes someone who is easily offended or annoyed. It suggests that the person is in a bad mood and may be prone to sulking or complaining. When someone is described as huffy, it often implies that they are being unreasonable or overreacting to a minor annoyance. The word can also be used to describe a situation or atmosphere that is tense or unpleasant, as if everyone is on edge. Overall, huffy conveys a sense of irritation, petulance, and frustration.